how to install DeepSeek on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and open the Play Store application. Click on Search. Click on Search Apps and Games. Search for DeepSeek. And then click on it. Then you should see the DeepSeek application. Go ahead and tap on the Install application. And then once you click on the Install application, you should see the DeepSeek application installing. You need to hang on a couple of seconds for the installation process to complete. And once you are done installing the DeepSeek app on your Android phone, you can now go ahead and click on the Open button or close the Play Store application, go to your apps page, and then open the DeepSeek AI. You can see, welcome. Then go ahead and sign in, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to install DeepSeek on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.